Listen up if you're a renovation business. I'm going to show you right now in a short video why it's important to do things in the right order. So let me just reset this whole conversation for you so you understand the background. First of all, this client came to us around 12 months ago because they wanted to ramp up the leads and the number of jobs that they were getting, because at that point in time, they were very dependent on word of mouth and referrals, which is a very hard thing to scale. So when they came to us, it's the most common conversation. It's about how do we create some consistency with our leads and therefore increasing the amount of jobs that we're doing so that we can scale the business predictably. And part of that conversation is as well, okay, well, how many team members are we going to need to be able to deliver on the work we're getting? How much do we have to increase our prices to accommodate for marketing budget? And all these kind of dynamics, which are truthfully not obvious, especially when you're coming out of that word of mouth and referral based model. So the immediate goal for this business, they wanted to increase their leads. They wanted to increase the number of jobs they got. So for that, we have been very successfully running paid ad campaigns for them for the last 12 months. And as a result, they've been able to essentially double their business. Now, at this point in time, it's important that we start looking at the ecosystem of their business's marketing. So within that dynamic comes their conversions that are coming through organic traffic, their ability to position themselves as experts and showcase their expertise and be seen as the trusted advisor in their area for their service, so on and so forth. Because the thing that you guys need to consider is when leads come into your business, although it's very common for businesses to think the answer to all of our problems is leads, truthfully, it's not. The answer to a lot of your problems is understanding when clients come, or not yet clients come to you, they want to be dealing with someone who they know, like, and trust, and they're not always ready to pull the trigger and buy right there and then. So you have this amazing opportunity to invest into these people and these not yet customers and nurture them through the different stages of the sales process. So at some point, they hopefully do become a client. Now, that's where this part of the conversation becomes relevant, because while all these leads are being generated and jobs are being closed, that's great. But then there are also leads that have been generated and they haven't closed. And the reason for that could be many. One of the reasons could be they're just not quite ready at that point in time. So you need to make sure that in that scenario, that lead is not necessarily dead. It just means that opportunity is not right for them right at that point in time. So the way that we like to leverage websites for clients is to be able to use that as a tool to showcase what you do, who you do it for, how you do it. And conceptually, don't tell me, show me. So when people come to your website, they can say, oh, look, here's a bunch of projects that we've done. Here's a bunch of, this is where they operate. This is what their jobs look like. There's some happy reviews and testimonials and things like that. And that is something that you can then use in your marketing arsenal to communicate to these potential customers. So although it might seem obvious in the early stages to do something like build a website, truth be told, it is useful and it is valuable, but is it time best spent? Is it money best spent at that point in time? It depends on your strategy, which is something that we unpack in our impact roadmap sessions with every single client that we work with. However, in most cases, it's kind of a stage 2 thing, because let's get the leads coming in first and close some jobs so that we've got more revenue to reinvest into other things that are going to make a difference on the front of conversions, which we know the website does a very good job for. So the website becomes this tool where we can start, showcasing our content. We can really start telling our story. And that's really what this is about. How do we tell our story to make sure that we're attracting the right type of customer and that they are engaging with the projects that we're doing, and hopefully as a result, engaging with us or you guys to do that project for them. So I'm going to run you through a website development rebuild here. And again, the point here was not so much that their existing website was doing an okay job, but it really didn't sort of tick a lot of the boxes that we wanted to tick in the space of being able to leverage the content that lives on the website and being able to build onto that asset in a way that we can then improve and re-engage some of the contacts that are existing within their current database that they've already paid for through paid advertising. But we just want to now have a vehicle put in place that we can really start nurturing and re-engaging some of these contacts and just being useful and relevant. And guys, when it comes to content, that's really what it's about. Just be useful, be relevant, and create some sort of consistency and cadence around that. The thing that we love to do is just creating project galleries for clients, because it really does tell a story. It's there purely for the advantage of your potential customers. And at the same time, you can optimize those pages for search, which means that when people are asking platforms like ChatGPT, who is a trusted advisor within your area for your service, there's a likely chance that those platforms are going to refer you to that user. So I'm going to run you through their old website really quickly. As you can see here, it's not super bad. It's just the colors are the navigation was a bit too simple, and it still didn't really have in there, the ability to showcase projects and things like that. It's also a bit of an old builder, so some of the features on here just look a little bit dated. It hadn't been touched in, close to five years or something, this website. So it was time for it to be, jazzed up. So with the new website, we've really cleaned up the messaging here. As you can see, we've cleaned up the navigation, and what you're going to see looking forward on here is a lot of project galleries on jobs that I've actually completed, and we'll be aiming to add to that website, 2 or 3 of those every single month, and then those projects we'll be able to send out in email campaigns and post to social media and all that kind. Maybe even run ads too. Who knows? Like, there's a lot of options there. So you can see here the message is very clear from the beginning. There's some case studies and testimonials here, and a bit of social proof here with products, so people understand who their trusted suppliers are and things like that. Again, more social proof on the website, and a lot of these things are sort of out of the box features now that come with these great new builders. That's super cool. Service tabs here, which expand into pages which have been custom written with SEO in mind, so that it does stand a chance of showing up on search. Some nice photographs, again, more social proof, like don't tell me, show me. These are things we've actually done, and this will be expanded on with proper case studies. Some process things here, and again, this is things that you can sort of help differentiate you from your competitors. This is how we do certain things. So by identifying processes, it kind of helps you unpack your unique mechanism within your business, which is something that you can market, and so on and so forth. And you can see here, nice clean footers, maps, licensing, contacts, all that kind of carry on. So look, it's a very clean website. It's very simple, and it's designed to be that way. It's designed to be something that we can constantly add to and build on and really start treating as an asset within the business. And so if you are in a business that does do renovations or any sort of trade-based business, there is method to the madness in the space of what needs to be done at what point in time. And if that's a conversation that you would like to have, we absolutely unpack that within our impact roadmap sessions that we do with clients at the beginning of every single project we bring on board. And it's an absolutely revolutionary program that really does cut through a lot of the, complexities of marketing strategy, and make sure that when we're setting a target, we're identifying the milestones which are going to help you get to that target. And it works 100% of the time. It's absolutely fantastic. So head across to tradingwebguys.com.au. We look forward to chatting to you soon.